Good afternoon guys and welcome back. So today we're going to be fixing the rattly seats in my 2005 Jeep TJ. Now these have been rattly and sometimes that passenger seat can't even move all the way forward to get people in the back. It's been like that since I bought it 3 years ago, because I didn't actually know you could actually buy replacement bushes for these. So the bushes on these seats have actually worn out. There's these little cellophane bushes here. These ones on both sides, and a little washer behind this torque spit here that we're going to be replacing today. I didn't actually know there was a brand that actually sell a replacement for these, so I'm actually contemplating buying new seats to fix my issue. But I was scrolling through Instagram one day and I came across this company called Stable Seat. They're a company based in America. So I just reached out to them asking if they would actually ship to Australia, and luckily for me they do. A lot of companies don't, which makes it really hard to try and get decent Jeep parts into Australia, or if they do it's really expensive. But these guys do direct 3D replacements of these cellophane bushings, and their prices for the 2003 to 2006 Jeep model are $33 for the passengers and driver's seat, and I think $25 or $27 for the 97 to 2002. They must have different seats on them, or they've got different bushings or something like that, but make sure you guys pick the right year. So when I reached out to them, they also follow the channel as well, so they've offered you guys a discount as well until the end of February. So if you guys go onto the website and use the promo code CHEAPJEEPER, capitals all one word, you guys will save 10%. So use that, save you guys a little bit of money, and then you guys can fix your seats as well. So it's a really easy install that we'll be doing today. They send you out this little packet here. It's got all the information you need on it. On the inside, it's got all the information you need to actually be able to install these. All the directions you need, so they're really simple, but I'll be showing you in this video today anyway. I've done the driver's side, just make sure I've done it the best I can to give you guys the best information possible. Now we can only do this side at the moment. To do the other side you can't actually fit the torque spit in there to remove the bolt on the other side. You can remove that cellophane bushing, which is easy enough, but to remove that torque spit you'll need to take the seat out. I'll probably be doing that later on. I won't be doing it in this video, it's pretty self-explanatory. Just repeat the process we'll be doing on this side. On the other side we need to take the seat out. So I'll chuck you guys on the tripod, we can remove the old ones and we can put the new ones in. Alright, so the only thing we'll be replacing today is this little cellophane bushing here, which is really easy. All you'll need is a flathead screwdriver to either pop it off, which is really simple, and a T40 torque spit to remove this bolt. So they recommend in the instructions they give you to move the seat forward, like someone's trying to get it in the back seat, which is really simple. Hopefully my seat will do it this time. Sometimes it doesn't work for me. So we'll just move the seat forward. And what they will do is give you the room to remove this bolt and to remove that cellophane bushing at the same time. So all you need to do is get your flathead screwdriver, just pry it behind it. Now you can put a little bit of tape on the screwdriver if you want to save scratching up your seat. I don't really mind too much, it would be scratched up. So once you've got it off, don't worry about wrecking that bushing, it's already stuffed, you can replace it anyway. So once you've got it off the flathead screwdriver, and the kit comes with everything you need to replace it. So for this one here, all you'll need is this one here that's got that little gap in it. So what that will do is just slide directly over. Sorry it's a little bit dark if you can't see it. It's really simple install. All you'll need to do is slide it over where the original bushing was, if you can see that there. Really easy. And then this one here. So it's got a raised side, and then you'll need this one here. And all that's going to do is a little cover that you're going to firmly push it over that original bushing, and that's done. That's all replaced now, super easy. That's fully replaced, and then all we've got to do is remove this torque spit here. So what you'll need is a T40 torque spit and a ratchet. So as I was saying before, it's really easy to do this side, but do the other side you can't actually fit this ratchet. You can replace this one here, you can replace this one here on the other side, but to replace this one you might have to take the seat out because you can't actually fit a ratchet behind the seat. So make sure you got a torque bit so you're not going around that nut off at all. Take that nut out. Oh, just lost that. And out will pop that nut and the old washer. So that's the old washer there, it's all worn out as you can see. So then in the kit it comes with this nice brand new washer, either whatever colour you want. I chose black just to match it in nicely. And simple replacement, just slide it over the nut and slide it back into the original hole. How easy is that? They make it really simple on that kit I showed you earlier. You've got everything you need to be able to replace these, and all the instructions you need. But it's easier to watch someone as well. Sometimes I find it easier to watch someone do it rather than reading it. So then all you got to do is tighten that back up. Make sure it's nice and tight. You don't have to torque these down or anything like that. Just make sure it's nice and tight when you do. And that's pretty much done. So I've just replaced this bushing in here, as you can see. This is the old shitty one. As you can see, it's completely rooted, and that's the old washer there. Definitely a good replacement, and definitely a lot easier than trying to buy a whole new set of seats. So that's pretty much it, guys. As I said before, all you got to do is move the seat forward if you can. Mine took a little while to move forward because it's a pain in the ass, because I need to replace these. So as I said before, all you got to do is pry the old one off with a flathead screwdriver. It does take a while, but as soon as you get it off, it's really easy. Just get the one that's got the little cutout in it, slide it over, easy as. Then there's got like a little capping. There's the directions on the packet they send you, which they will do step by step, and everything you need for the installation as well, which is awesome. Thank you guys at Stable Seat for that. That's really helpful. Or you can watch these videos, which for me, I'm better off watching videos. It really helps me understand how to do something a little bit easier. So that's it. Probably took 15 minutes. Probably took 15 minutes for me because I was filming at the same time. It'll probably take a little bit less, but really easy fix for broken seats, and definitely a lot cheaper than buying a brand new set of seats, or even ones from the wreckers that might have the same problem. But shout out to Stable Seat for giving you guys a discount. Don't forget to use it. You guys got until the end of February to get 10% off your order. So instead of buying new seats, try these guys out. They're really helpful, really quick service, and a great replacement for some broken seats. So thank you to Stable Seat, and thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button. We're almost at 1k subscribers. I'm really excited about it. And don't forget to hit that like button as well. It's going to help out the channel in a massive way and allow us to grow and create better content for you guys as well, which is awesome. I love making these videos and love spending the time with you guys. So if you guys got anything to add, leave in the comments below. Always love reading you guys' comments. And again, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.